Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda CR-V key fob here. It works for these models 2017 and 2020 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 1620, and you can find this battery in the description, a small flat screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn this key over like this to the back, and right here you see this Phillips head screw. Now take the Phillips head screwdriver and just remove this screw over here. Now when you remove the screw, take the fob like this, and on this side right here you see this hole. Now take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it right in this hole over here, and now twist it a little bit, and when you twist it a little bit, this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now right after that, here you see your old dead battery. To remove the battery, again it's very easy. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver again, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just install your new battery like this, and make sure this side that facing you is the negative side. So this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly like this, see? And now snap them together just like this here. And when you do that, right after that, here the final step is to return the Phillips head screw back in its place over here. And when you do that, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.